Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple theme for the browser game Shellshock.io. You will need TamperMonkey, which you can get from the website or the Chrome Web Store, and you will need the example file which I have put in the description. Firstly, download and open the file in the description. This contains most of the code we need for this theme. Then, you can change the name and description of the script. This part is the CSS. We will be modifying this. Open the TamperMonkey dashboard and create a new script. Delete the existing code, then copy the new code and paste it in. We will start the theme by modifying the background. This line corresponds to the background. As you can see, it is a linear gradient. We can change the colors of this by changing the hex values. Open Google and type hex color picker. Select a color and copy its hex value. We can then change the background color. I have removed a gradient stop here. Once this is done, save the TamperMonkey script and open Shellshockers. The background should now be changed. We can also change the position of the gradient stops by adjusting the percent values. If we want to change the background to a fixed color, we can remove the linear gradient and add just a single color. We can also put in a picture from the internet with its URL. Get the link to your picture and put it inside quotation marks. Then put that inside a URL open bracket close bracket code. We can also change other values to get different colors by experimenting. Some parts of the page may not change colors. That is because of how we are modifying the page. This is only a simple tutorial. Thanks for watching.